What's up, everyone? Ace Motorsports bringing you guys another video. We just finished working on the Honda. We got the brakes fixed, so you'll be expecting a how to wheelie tutorial. I'm gonna do it on the Honda. It's the easiest bike to wheelie. I'm also gonna practice on the Banshee, but as of now, we're taking the Banshee. Here's Maris off the road. We'll be taking the Honda, and we'll be taking the 250, giving it a good try, taking the cobwebs off of that. Let's go look at the setup real quick. But we will be taking Duramax. As you can tell, I got my flatbed, it's fixed. So easy to transport my quads. Yeah, that trailer, look at that setup, man. This truck is insane, it's beautiful. So let's go ahead and load them up and we'll be heading out. Okay, we're just gonna load them up by hand. We don't need the ramps, maybe after. 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna put the 250 like that, the Banshee, la Honda atrás. Here goes the 250. There's the Banshee Honda. 250 going on now. 1, 2, 3. Atrás los dos. Ay, sorry, John. Aquí, ahí. 1, 2, 3. That's gonna be the setup for today. Okay. Alright, everybody, so it's officially my first time towing with this setup with the Duramax. Got the Honda today, of course the Banshee. New bike, the Honda 250R. Got the flatbed trailer, toy hauler stays today. Got the Duramax, not even squatting at all. Big difference. We're out, baby. Let's go. Duramax, she did great. Pulled up the hills like nothing with the trailer. We got the Honda 250R, sounding nice. Got the Banshee out here too, sounding real nice. Got the Honda stock, but still sounding real nice too. All right, there you guys have it. This is part 1 of 2. This is the transporting part where we get to our riding spot and start setting up. Go ahead and subscribe so you won't miss part 2 of us riding the Banshee, Honda 250R, giving it the first test try, and the Honda 400X. Peace.